Hello again, friends. So today I need to release some energy once again, so no better way than doing this than playing with paint, I think. Today's a bit noisy out here, so you know, if you hear strange noises in the back, it could be birds screeching in the sky, dogs barking, kids screaming, playing, or it could be my washing machine. Who knows? I think you know now my house is not the quietest, so never mind. It won't stop me from having some fun. So I'm going to start by doing a base of white. I will spread this out and then I'll tell you how I mix my paints, if I can find my little spreader or something. No, I haven't got it here, so I'm going to use my Catalyst wedge tool, which is a great tool to spread things and also just, you know, to paint in general. So I'm going to use this because I've got it right here next to me. So let me try to remind myself what I mixed in my paints today. I did 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol, 2 parts craft glue, and 1 part Liquitex pouring medium. I didn't feel the need to add water in any of the colors other than the white, which was a little bit thicker than the rest. So we'll see how that goes. If it doesn't go, then we won't do that again, will we? It's all about experimenting. So anyway, I'm faffing around trying to spread this paint where it's already fine as it is. Does not need to be perfect to be on the bottom. And I'm going to torch this. There it goes in the background. At least I've warned you guys by now, so. And then that's it. Let's do, so 4 colors, as I mentioned, I've got some white, I have some light green, I have some turquoise, and I also have some yellow. Now the mix feels a little bit thin to me, but we'll just give it a go and see. So I've got a bit of, I don't want to waste cups if I don't have to, so I'm going to reuse this one. And I'm just going to, because I'm experimenting still, I'm going to do a flip cup with these colors, see what we get. So I know you can't really see what I'm doing. I should have just well, you can see roughly. I'll put my cup here so you can see a bit better. Let's put a bit of white, a bit of this yellow, and I did not put any silicone in there, so we'll see if we get any cells, or even if they're small, I don't really mind. To be honest, I've given up trying to do amazing things or trying to achieve the same results as other artists. I'm just doing my thing and I'm just having fun. That's pretty much all I am doing. A bit more yellow, and that seems like a lot of paint, but if it is, we'll tip it off. Okay, little cup of sunshine, and then let's just go nuts. These colors will be pretty together. That yellow with the green, the turquoise, I'm already seeing some pretty colors here. So even if I had 0 cells, I'd still be happy because this makes me happy in particular. So we just wait. In the meantime, we do a little dance for waiting for the paint to come down, and we tell it to hurry up because we want to see what's in there. Because the paint was pretty thin, or thinnish, I would say, I don't think it's going to take very long at all, and I can see it's oozing out from down there. So I'm just going to go for it. Ready, guys? Let's go. Oh, so delicious. Now, don't go off my little canvas here just yet. Yeah, pretty much everything had come down. There's not much in there left apart from a few drops. I can live with that. Now, it's looking pretty around here. Let's torch it. Not too much happening with the torching, but it's looking pretty all the way there. So I'm just gonna wait. Feels like it's want to move down this way, so let's just stop it from getting away. Put a little wedge if I can. Here we go. See, that's gonna be enough. I think so. I think my canvas wasn't really centered, so that doesn't really help, does it? And I'm just going to leave it for a couple of minutes and then I'll get back to you and see if it's changed. Okay, we're back. I don't want to wait too long because I'm afraid my paint is going to all escape this way. So before that happens, let's just tilt that a little bit. Let's go down a bit towards the bottom for now. Come back around. Come back down that way. Definitely have some funky cells happening. Just got a little bit of stretching out to make things happen a bit, I think. Also gonna have to lose a bit more paint. Not too much. Now the washing machine's going off in the background. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to multitask here. Let's go down that way again. Okay. It turned out better than I expected, actually. To start with, I was a bit worried the mix was a bit too liquid. Now there's just a little white thingy in there. I don't know what that is. Bit of paint maybe, or who knows. Okay, we're good now. So some pretty white lacing there. I like this a lot. Let me just I'm gonna wash my hands and come back to you. Okay, let's torch it one more time. Any of those little bubbles in there to come up. The colors are really beautiful. I'm so happy with those colors, and I've got plenty left, so I might have to do another painting with those. So I'll take care of the edges later on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. There you go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at this beautiful section here. Try to get the glare away from you, but I really like this. It's very soft. Actually, the colors look a little bit sort of fluor green on the camera, I think, but it's actually a little bit, they're actually a bit more toned down than they appear. So I really like this. Kind of reminds me of two things. One, a turtle, and two, reef from up, you know, when you're in the plane and you're looking down and you see all these beautiful trails made by the water and the rocks and all of that. So it doesn't actually look like that in real life, but that's what it reminds me of. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and also make sure to visit me on mimibondi.com. I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.